In this video, we'll discuss the operations and functions of a Pureline Pure Colors LED light. The Pure Colors light can be fully controlled by a standard light switch. Switching the light on will launch one of the 16 light settings. In order to change the color or light show, turn the light off and back on within 2 seconds. This step can be repeated until the desired setting is found. The same steps can be taken if the light is connected to an automation system. There is a memory function for pool owners who want the light to stay on a certain color or light show every time the light turns on. When the light turns off for more than 20 seconds, it will turn on again in the same setting. So if the light is blue when it turns off one night, it'll turn on in blue the next night. If there are multiple Pure Color bulbs in the pool or attached spa, the bulbs can be synced together. All the lights in the pool and spa must be wired to the same junction box and breaker in order for them to be synced. To sync the bulbs, all lights must be turned off for 20 seconds. Then turn the lights on and off continuously 3 times. Finally, turn them on again and the lights will be synced. If you have any questions about the Pure Colors light, leave a comment down below or visit us over at inyopools.com.